Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina, and today is Tuesday, November 23rd. Just as a reminder, we'll be open 10 to 3 tomorrow, Wednesday. We'll be closed on Thursday and then open regular hours starting again on Friday at 10. So today we have two more collections from QT to share with you. QT is Quilting Treasures Fabric, and our first collection here is called Turtle Time. So cute. So this is adorable turtle prints, vibrantly colored and fun and cheerful. Paired with geometric coordinates, this collection is perfect for nursery decor, infant toddler accessories, summer projects, and more. So I actually really like the coordinates in this collection because I think that they have a little more interest and thought put into them than some of the coordinates we get that are just kind of plainer. So I do love these squiggle lines. I think that's really fun. And it kind of reminds me of Kaif's. Kaif Facet has some squiggle lines sort of like that as well. And this is what I mean by when it gets more interesting. They took that same squiggle line design and then added hearts of color all around it. So I just think that's an interesting coordinate. And then we have terrific dots to go with it. And these dots are kind of fun because they're not perfect circles. They kind of look like paint dabs, different colors. And there we have it in that kind of minty green and in white. And so if you take a look at this whole collection, you see a difference in scale, a difference in color, but it all goes together. So again, that's called Turtle Time. The next one we have is called Moonshadow. This one is going to sell fast. I'm just going to tell you that now. This is an array of simply heavenly celestial motifs, twinkle with fabulous design and rich color. Create quilts, accessories, and apparel that are out of this world. This QT collection integrates the technology of digital printing with the aesthetic and traditional weave of batiks. This is printed on cotton 130/70 woven fabric with the QT soft hand finish. And the designer on this collection is Dan Morris. One of the things I like about Dan's designs, which you'll see very well in this piece, is that he layers color. So you don't just get a yellow moon, you're going to get things that are layered with color that just provide a lot more interest and a lot of really beautiful artwork. And then this last piece, I think it's called dots, but it sort of looks like planets. So you can decide what to do with that. But someone actually was in last week and got a couple of these for some pillowcases for Christmas. So there's a really great pillowcase panel or pillowcase pattern, a free pattern that I'll link that takes about 2 seam lines to make these really cute pillowcases. And that's an option for you for the holidays. Just a really quick make a pillowcase for every kid every year. Just a fun way to celebrate that is quick and easy. So I hope you've liked what we've shown today, and we will be back tomorrow with more fabric. You guessed it. We will see you then. Have a great afternoon.